Hi everyone, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. We're going to jump right in using MAC's Painterly Paint Pot as my eyeshadow base. And to create the cut crease, I'm going to go ahead and use this dark brown from the Morphe 350 M palette with an angled brush. This doesn't need to be 100% perfect because we're going to blend out this line right after we add this brown. I've personally always had issues when it came to cut creases, and I really didn't know where to start mine because I have hooded eyes, and that's why I really wanted to create this video, because I know there's a lot of people out there that have hooded eyes and really want to do a cut crease. And you know, it's extending it a little bit outside my crease, but this is how I figured that this is going to really show up because of my hooded eyes. The next color I jumped into is kind of more of a red. This is going right on top of that brown, and I'm just staying right on the line because I'm going to start blending it up farther to start getting a little bit more blending above. Don't be afraid of that line right there that's being created with the red, because we're going to go ahead and use a lighter color above that red, so you're going to see a better transition. Next, I grabbed a lighter orange with a dense brush to go ahead and help with that blending of the cut crease. I also used a matte color right underneath my brow bone just to kind of help get that seamless blend. Using the Age Rewind Concealer, I grabbed a 242 MAC brush to go ahead and create the seamless cut crease. I always start at the base and then I go ahead and perfect the cut crease. I'm also using a bone matte color shadow to set that concealer. Now to complete this look with a winged liner, I'm going to be using the Tarte Gel Liner with a 210 MAC brush. I am such a perfectionist when it comes to my winged liner that I have to have the tiniest brush, and I have to have at least 30 minutes to be able to create my wing liner. I always start with my wings and I try to get them as symmetrical as possible, and then I kind of connect the dots all from there. One of the things that has always worked for me is keeping my eyes open and just looking down into the mirror, and that's the best way that I've felt that I can get some great symmetry and the straightest lines possible. Now this is definitely going to take a lot of time and a lot of practice. Even though I've been doing this for years, I still am not 100% perfect at it, but I definitely take my time and I practice a lot. For my highlight today, I'm using Illuminati by Artist Couture. This is going to be my highlight for the tops of my cheekbones and also my Cupid's bow. And to finish off this whole look, I used Jeffree Star's I'm Shook liquid lipstick in collaboration with Manny MUA. I didn't think that it was going to be this orange, but I feel like it really went with this look. Thank you everyone for watching. We'll see you next time.